Hey guys, welcome back to our channel TechTube. Today in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how can you find work from home in Indeed. So I'm gonna be teaching you a very easy step on this particular method. So I'm gonna be helping you with everything. So if you have any problem or any queries within the process, just let me know in the comment section right away. Now without any further delay, let's just get started. So firstly, just go to your Indeed.com website and just log in with your account. Once you do that, you'll be in this particular platform. Now from here, just go to find jobs and just add a job title. So I'm gonna be saying remote work from home, and over here what you need to do is you need to choose remote work from here and then just press on search, and then you'll be having all the list over here like this. So that's pretty much, guys, that's how you find work from home and Indeed. So I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section right away, and I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe, guys. Thank you for watching.